A pleasant morning to all of us. Today I'll be discussing about verbals. Verbals composed of three types. These are the gerunds, infinitives, and participles. But before anything else, allow me to define first what is verbals. To define, verbals are verb forms that function as a noun, adjectives, or adverbs. Usually it functions in the sentence as a noun or modifiers rather than a verb. And now we will be talking about gerunds. Gerunds are verb forms ends in ing that functions as a noun in the sentence, meaning they can act as subjects, direct objects, subject complements, and object of the preposition. When the gerund is performing the action in the sentence, it's functioning as a subject. Example of gerund as a subject, we have here the sentence. Swimming is a good exercise. The word swimming is performing the action in the sentence. Next is gerund as direct objects. When the gerund is perceiving the action in the sentence, its function as a direct object. Example, she enjoys walking. The gerund walking answers the question rather, what does she enjoy? Gerund as direct object usually answers the questions whom or what. Another one is gerund as subject complement. This means that gerund and gerund phrases can be a subject of sentences, clauses, and be a subject complement connected to a subject by an auxiliary verb or helping verb. Let's take this example. His favorite activity is swimming. Is swimming is functioning as a subject complement. The last one is gerund as object of the preposition. When a gerund follows a preposition, it's working as an object of the preposition. For example, Anna expressed herself by writing. The gerund writing is the object of the position of the preposition by. So, we're done about gerunds and now let's proceed to participles. Participles is a verbal that is used as an adjective to modify a noun and a pronoun and most often ends in ing or ed. Actually, there are two types of participle. The first one is the present participles, and the second one is the past participles. When we say present participles, it ends in ing and it describes the ongoing actions. Example, the falling leaves covered the ground. So the word falling is a present participle that describes the ongoing action of the noun, which is the leaves. The next type is the past participle. Past participle ends in ed, en, d, t, or n, or irregular forms. It is used to describe the completed action or states. Example, the broken window needs to be repaired. The word broken is a past participle that describes the window. And the last types of verbals is the infinitives. Infinitives is a verbal consisting of a word to plus a verb in a simplest stem or form and functioning as a noun, adjective, or adverb. Let's start with a noun, infinitives. Non-infinitives act as subject, direct object, or subject complements focusing on action itself. Here is the example. To travel is his dream. The word to travel is a noun that functions as a subject in the sentence. Next example is everyone is willing to go. The word to go is an infinitive that functions as a direct object. Another example is his ambition is to fly. So the word to fly is infinitives that function as a subject complement. Next one is adjectives and infinitives. It describes or modify a nouns, indicating purpose or attributes. Let's take these examples. She has a book to read. She has the desire to explore the places. So the word to read and the word to explore are the infinitives that function as an adjective in the sentence. And lastly, we have here the adverbs and infinitives. Adverb and infinitives modify verbs, adjectives, or adverbs, explaining the reason, purpose, or manner. Let's take this example. We must study to learn. She worked hard to succeed. The word to learn and the word to succeed are infinitives that function as an adverb in the sentence.